Hi guys, welcome back. Back on the CNC Build here. I'm really excited about getting this thing done. So today we're going to be working on the Z-axis. I'll show you how I'm picking and using some C-channel that will bolt on top of the slide bearings, top and bottom, and walk you through on how we're going to be getting that mounted. So let's get to it. So as you can see, I got the Z-axis going across here, and I got the C-channel mounted on top here on the bearings, and this one down here going underneath there on the bottom there, and we'll get her try to get her done today. So let's get to that. Okay, with the Z-axis, I got the two C-channel pieces bolted on, and the idea is to mount this, which is just a steel piece of plate. You know, get this mounted up against the C-channel there, so that'll be mounted there. And see how that works. So we'll go from there. Okay, so we got her tacked up there. Got everything pretty straight there. We'll have to do some fine adjustments. So, but yeah, that should work all right there. So next step will be getting the okay, so next what I'm going to do is get this mounted up to the Z-axis here, and then we'll get onto the Z-axis mounted here. So it's coming. Just we're getting there slowly, but she's coming together, all right. So that's where we're at. So if you guys like this video, if you get any information from it, please subscribe below, and we'll catch you on the next one.